M0FXB still here. So we're going to get the settings in to make this ICOM 705 act as a server, so we can sort of remotely control using the RS-BA1 software. So we're going to configure the remote connection server mode. Then we can use it to remotely connect to our access point at home, could be our router, or actually we could use this radio as an access point. Right, let's get into the settings. So menu, then set. Then we'll go down to WLAN. At the moment, we're going to just turn that off. Then we'll scroll down to remote settings. Right, let's tap that. So network control at the top, so let's turn that on. So we'll scroll down. (5001), 5002, 5000. We'll leave all that. Internet access line valid after restart. Leave that for now. Now we do need to configure network user 1. So in this section on network user 1, you need to put an ID and a password. And it has to be 6 characters. So I'll get them in there. I'm only going to create one user for now. We'll get them in there and then we'll move on to the next section. The password needs to have 8 characters. I'll set network administrator to yes. So I won't bother setting the second one, and the network radio name is ICOM-705. So now we've got the correct configuration where this device, this 705, can act as an access point. So you can connect anything to it basically, and the one we'll be interested in will be our laptop. Okay, so back out of that now, and then you see remote settings, then just scroll backwards, go to connection type, select it, then you've got station, connect to network, select station. Let's turn on our wireless LAN now. Click on. See why it won't let me in a minute. One sec. Okay, I just tapped a couple of times and it let me turn it on. Then we'll go connection type and then station. Right, well the other thing we've done is just go back, go to wireless LAN, go to connection settings station, and then hit DHCP valid after restart. So we'll do that on, and then we'll restart the radio. Go menu, set, wireless LAN, connection setting. No IP. So maybe our Wi-Fi is not on yet and not connected yet. Right, so I'm going to go to connection settings. So how did I get there? Go to wireless LAN, connection settings, access point. I'm going to put a password in there because I think it needs this. I'll just pause it. Okay, the password's in there. Now we'll go back to, we have an IP address there, we'll make a note of that, it's 59.1. Go back to wireless LAN and we will turn it on. Still not letting me turn it on. Right, then we're going to go to access point and see if it lets us turn it on. Access point, wireless LAN is on. So we're getting there step by step. So just look back through. So the wireless LAN is on, connection type, access point, connection settings, IP address is there. We've got a username and password in connection settings, and it says access point. Network name is the same. Remote settings. We've got the user in. I've created a username and a password with 8 digits. Yes. For network administrator. Yeah, so everything should be okay now if you've just followed everything I've put in. When you come out now and look at the radio, you're going to see the Wi-Fi lit up now, and it's now like got a white square around it, and the actual Wi-Fi is black. It's got black lines, so hopefully you can see that quite clear. So right, let's move on to the next stage. So what's happening now is things can actually connect to the ICOM 705 wirelessly. Okay, so we're going to the final part of the setup on the radio. Go menu, then click set. Then find connectors here. Connectors, then go to the top and go to mod input. So leave those two at 50, and data mod, I'll leave that at mic USB for now. Data mod, now if you're going to use a USB cable, leave it at USB, and I'm going to have a go at doing that as well. But in this section we're trying to do it wirelessly, so we're going to hit wireless LAN. So you'll have to remember, say you've been using the radio in wireless LAN, you'll have to remember if you decide to use the USB cable, to switch it back, or otherwise it won't work. So that's the radio all set up. The goal here at the moment is to wirelessly control this radio using my laptop and you do unfortunately need to get the RS-BA1 ICOM software. Now I found this at a very bargain price on eBay. Yeah, you get no disc and that, but you do get the sort of license number that you need to activate the software. And it's and I think if most of us have got ICOM 7300s and 705s, it's going to be well worth it. And I'm and I got mine for under £30, so I think that is a good investment. So so this is the radio part of the setup. So I'll chuck this on YouTube now. Eventually I'll do one video with all 3 parts of this section in one, but I'll put it all up separately as well. So please, if you enjoy this, subscribe and just getting your ICOM 705 ready for access mode and wireless control. 7.3, all the best.